Every time an order comes in, is it from a VP? This MESA workflow has Claude analyze every paid order and alert your team the moment a VIP shows up. Meet MESA's setup wizard that'll walk you through getting connected. First, we'll set who from your team is receiving the email, and then who the sender is. MESA fires a trigger every time a customer checks out, and here's where you'll see your store connected. The order is passed to Claude, though you can swap it in MESA's built-in AI or ChatGPT right here. It checks two things. Is this customer a repeat buyer, or is their order 200 plus? Either way, you get a plain English summary your ops team can actually use. Before the filter runs, a small script parses Claude's responses and makes the data usable for the next steps. If the order doesn't qualify, the workflow stops here. No noise, no unnecessary emails going out. Qualifying customers are automatically tagged in Shopify, either VIP repeat or VIP send based on Claude's decision. Your team gets an email with the order number, why the customer qualified, and a prompt to add them to your CRM, all automatically. Let's run a test. Claude evaluates the order and returns its decision. The transform parses it and the filter checks if it qualifies. Now the VIP tag lands on the customer profile in Shopify, and the Gmail alert hits the inbox with the full summary. Everything looks good, so let's turn it on. Grab the template in the description. What used to be a manual VIP check is now automatic and runs every order. Start your free trial at getmesa.com.